is Jason Wojo. Welcome to my channel. I run a multiple seven-figure agency. For the past 4 years, I've helped generate me and my clients over $75 million, and I've been featured in Entrepreneur Magazine and New York Weekly's 30 Under 30. This channel is for business owners looking to scale their business with paid ads, systems, creating more resistible offers, and ultimately making more money. So make sure you subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoy the video.
Because also, you're going to have to worry about these things, and we have to worry about these things, which is this, okay? And you should know what these things are. If you don't, I'll explain them. Okay, top of funnel, middle of funnel, bottom of funnel. When a client picks one of these, they have to spend a certain amount of money to even get to the other two. So how I pitch it is the omnipresence of, listen, like, I would have a package, and I guarantee you right now you'll make more money selling this. Like, literally way more. So you have YouTube at $3,500. Facebook and TikTok are $5K total, so you're sitting at $8,500 if they won everything. So you're like, all right, listen, like you could pay individually for the $8,500, which is cool, or you can just pay us $6 a month, and you'll get the best results possible because we can now omni-target people from Facebook and IG retargeting. Whatever's going to be the top of funnel. So you could use TikTok and Facebook to be your top of funnel, and then your YouTube is the retargeting because we have Google Tag Manager that can follow them around the internet. To where now, yes, you'll pay, what do you say your cost per lead right now is on most of the home services that are high ticket like this? It's like $52?
On Facebook and TikTok, yes, between 30 and...
But YouTube's like 100?
Yeah, YouTube, yeah.
So then you could say, like, listen, top of funnel is going to cost you 50 to 100, but if we're able to retarget people, you should be able to trim.
Yeah, that's true.
So like here could be 40, safe side, here could be 30. So yeah, you could pay us, $3,500 to get this, but then you might as well just pay us $6, and then you add more. You say, listen, you'll get all the traffic sources. Yeah, we give you go high level. You get the dial-in team. You get your creatives and your account manager. But what if you buy all three? We'll give you 3 account managers. Or, they also get more than one creative. Because from that one ad I just saw, you're only wanting one creative for that guy.
No, we're not. There's 5.
Okay, I only saw 1 active on the ad library, so that's why I was asking you.
That's weird. Yeah,
Okay.
We have quite a few running for that guy.
Okay.
So when that video showed up and it showed like that, I was like kind of confused. But
Okay.
It converts. That video converts.
Okay. But do you have retargeting videos? Like, do you have scripts that are for retargeting, though?
I do, but I haven't.
Okay, that's what I would, but that's the whole pitch of this. It's like, hey, we talk to customers a certain way here, and then we talk to them a certain way here and here. And you can pitch that to them. Be like, listen, like, you're not just going to get one creative. The first creative is just to introduce them to the offer. If they opt in, they opt in. If they don't. But then these two are going to be like, hey, like, we saw you watch this. Like, the ad literally starts like that. We saw you watch this. We saw you clicked, but you didn't take action. Here's your second chance. Like, it's more where you just literally follow them around the internet.
Yeah, I created a retargeting ad, and basically what happens is like it's with solar, and so if they didn't click the first time, what I did was I created an ad that went across all the objections, and I was like, if you're thinking about solar, don't get scammed when you actually make the decision, and then I go into like objections and incentives. But with the home service industry, we are also exclusive, so we only work with one client per area on that platform.
Okay, so if that's the case, then you should sell this as a bundle.
We do.
Now, do most people buy this one, though?
We have like 3 clients that bought it.
How many clients do you have total?
We do a quick count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12 with multiple clients and multiple campaigns.
So 3 people took this bundle out of 12.
Yeah.
That's 1/4. That's 25%. That's like a good, like when I look at, like technically that's an upsell to get a bundle.
Yeah.
So at a 25% take rate, that is pretty high for the sample size.
Yeah.
But do you okay, the thing though is that now you're saying you have a sales issue. So the sales issue, I think, is that, yeah, you had a bad sales rep, but you have to explain to them on the phone better of why this is the best bundle and push them. Because do you also do email and SMS through Go High Level? Mm-hmm. You set up the Twilio and everything?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Okay. The only thing I would say is that your offers are good.
Yep.
I mean, everything seems like your retention's high, but just adding these tweaks of pitching it in this manner to get them to take all three. I feel like that would work better. Plus, you can give them an incentive like, listen, like, you stay with us monthly. Are you locking them in for a contract? How long? Because you said you just had them sign a proposal.
So,
Yeah.
so like I taught my.
The only thing, though, is going month to month is going to be hard when you're scaling.
Completely agree.
Yeah.
You want to move over to 3 months.
Yeah, I would do 3 months, yeah.
For sure.
Because you want to have, I'm telling you right now, no matter how you think your clients are cool in the beginning, dude, when I was making less money and you have those clients, you're able to get a more personal touch because you have more time. When you're scaling, man, you can't talk to your clients that much like you used to.
Yeah. No.
So you're going to lose that, and dude, I'm telling you, you think that they're going to be like, nope, they're not going to want chargebacks or refunds. Your chargebacks will go through the roof on month to month. They have no legal obligation.